Welcome back to my channel. It's always summertime. Today we're going to do a lava cave video. And it's going to erupt.
That's right. We're doing the National Geographic's Build Your Own Volcano. Build your own volcano and make it erupt. You excited for this?
Yeah, and I got this from my brother and sister, Hensie and Bobble, on my birthday.
They got you so many things on your birthday. It's
Yeah,
hard
like
to get to it all.
Like 1,184,000 things.
All right, so let's see what we got to do with this, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to prepare what we need to prepare. I think this video is going to go maybe in 2 parts because I don't think we can do it all in one day.
Yeah.
But we are going to see what the instructions say and get it all together. You ready?
Yeah, but it's going to be in 2 days that we can
2 days?
Blast.
All right. Okay, let's
And
get everything
paint it.
together.
Yeah.
Okay, so we connected the 2 halves of the mold. Okay. And then we're going to place the mold upside down on top of the eruption chamber. So this is the eruption chamber. So we're going to place this just like that.
Okay.
Okay. And now we are going to slowly add a plaster, which we already measured out.
So can I?
1.5 cups of plaster. And I'm gonna pour it in and you stir, okay? We have our stir stick.
And it's a little bit dangerous. Because it's made of wood.
Yeah, so you get a splinter, yuck. All right, so what we're gonna do, all right, start mixing because it's plaster, okay? So mix a bit, slowly, okay?
Okay.
How's it going?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I think I need to go on my knees.
Okay.
Because you can't see it.
Okay.
Okay, pour some more.
All right, so we're gonna pour some more. We have to get it thick.
What does
It
thick
says
mean?
thick but pourable. If
It's
you
like
need any,
sand.
huh?
It's like making sound.
Yeah. If you need any help, let me know, okay?
Okay.
Let's see, how are we doing here? Can I see the consistency, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, we still got some room to go. I'm moving it all around. Ooh! Here, grab the stir stick and
Okay.
let me pour some more in, okay?
That looks like milk.
Right?
Yeah.
Definitely not milk. I don't want to drink this.
Yeah.
Okay, so mix that in. Keep mixing it. Okay. The plaster will begin to harden quickly, so as soon as the plaster is ready, move on to the next step immediately, okay? That means like right now.
Really
So we gotta
fast.
hurry up and stir, stir, stir.
Really fast?
Yeah. So as soon as the plaster is mixed, we're gonna pour it into the volcano
Can I
and
pour
let
some
it
of
sit.
this?
Sure, pour some more.
Okay.
And then we have to let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Once the plaster is set, carefully remove the mold and use your stir stick to scrape off any mold lines that are left. The plaster must dry completely before you paint it. Put the plaster volcano in a warm, dry place for 1 to 2 days. So that's gonna be part 2 of our video. You excited to get to it?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep doing this.
Yeah. We have to do it like
Hurry,
really
because
fast.
it's getting thick. Hold on, let me help you out with that, okay?
Okay. This is actually making glue.
It does look gluey, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I think we have our desired consistency. Now what we need to do is pour it in here. I placed this under it so we don't get a mess on the table. I made a mess already though. All
Now
right, so
it's
pour it in there,
Pour.
right in there. Be careful you don't get any on the outside, okay? You're doing great.
Get on.
Ah! Hold on, I think I need to scrape the rest in, okay?
So we fill this up and we'll be back in 25 minutes.
No, 45 minutes.
I forgot.
We'll be back in 45 minutes to take off the mold, and then we have to remove the mold and use a stirring stick to scrape off any mold lines that are left behind. So this is fun. I'm really looking forward to this one. This one's like super fun.
Yeah, but maybe we have to let it float inside the park.
No, I don't think it'll be that big of an eruption, but we're gonna see what happens next, okay? Be back in 45 minutes.
So I got it.
Ooh.
It actually came off. And my little sister's back awake. It's like breaking, right?
Well, those are loose pieces of plaster. We have to like kind of shave it down. Like any of the little pieces of plaster, we have to take them off.
Yeah.
Hold on. Do we take this out or no? Let me see it.
There's a volcano, Mom. There's a volcano.
It's a volcano.
How does she know that?
The plaster must dry completely before you paint it.
You told me about that.
Okay.
Are we supposed to take it off?
I don't think so. Let me see. Oh, yes. All right, so there it is. Let's see the finished product. All right, so Summer's taking off the excess plaster of the volcano. Hi, Scarlett.
She just
Yes,
got away.
that's the paint because we have to paint it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow when it's completely dry, okay?
Yeah, and this is so warm.
Let me see. Ooh, it is. Okay, so take this little edge off and this little edge, and then we have to let it dry, okay? Now, I don't know if I showed you guys in the first part of the video, but this actually comes with real lava rock, real volcano
I'm gonna
rock.
feel this like this.
Okay, however you can. It's so awesome. These are volcanic rock samples from an actual volcano. And it comes with the paint, so we can paint our volcano and make it look like this.
But I think I'm gonna do unique.
You're gonna do a unique one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because it doesn't have the same, like, I need a gray.
Okay.
But it's okay. I can do it. So,
How you doing there? The parts coming off? Let's see what we got here. Let me see. Oh, that is pretty awesome. Actually, all you gotta do, baby, is take this off from the top. Those top pieces.
okay.
Okay.
So, we're going to record when I'm finished. Then, after we shave it, then we're going to end it.
Don't worry, we'll paint today. You wanna paint today? Okay, we'll paint.
But not with that one.
Not with that paint, Mommy. We're gonna use different paints, okay? Our other paints, our washable paint.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get you some paper.
Just after we finish this video, little one.
All right, so what we're gonna do is Summer's gonna finish filing this away. And when it's nice and smooth, we're gonna put it in a dry place. And we're gonna check it tomorrow, see if it's hard enough to paint. If not, then we'll be back in 48 hours to paint it and to finish our volcano experiment. I really like this one. This one's so exciting. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm a kid at heart, I guess.
You're like a kid even though you're so grown up.
I know, I'm a very grown up. Okay, Scarlett, let me get Scarlett some paint and we will be back tomorrow.
Yay. Bye. So, our volcano is fully dry, and when I finish painting it and it's dry, I get to explode my volcano.
Sounds so exciting. Are you getting ready to paint it?
Yes, so let's start.
Let's see the paint that it came with. What colors did it come with?
So I have red, yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange.
Oh, so they have it in a pattern, the same colors in a pattern.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is the paintbrush. We have some water in this. We just lay this down so everything won't get dirty. And this is so we can wipe our brush.
That's right. So what color are you going to paint your volcano first?
I think I'm going to go for red.
Okay.
But I'm going to go for this kind of red.
Okay.
So I'm going to see if I can open it. Easy. Now we're going to take our paintbrush and dip it in and then paint. I'm going to try to paint it over here and then this side.
Okay.
So,
Use your creativity. You can paint it however you want. There's no right or wrong in art, okay?
okay. So first of all, we're going to start here.
Ooh, that red looks like hot lava.
That's why I'm putting some red.
Ah!
That part might make you guys laugh. So I'm gonna like put little drops here to make it look like the volcano is dripping.
Like it's erupting and the lava is dripping out on the sides?
Yes. Doot, doot, doot. I am so creative.
You really are.
Yes. So now I'm just gonna paint over these little scratches things I
Okay.
made because I don't want it to look like it's dripping off it anymore. So we're gonna paint a little bit of this side red, and then the next side, because you can see this has little like bumps on it.
Right? Crevices? Little crevices?
Yes. I didn't know what to say that time.
It's okay.
So this is how we're gonna paint it. It's like I'm painting a wall. And we're gonna paint the inside, of course.
Okay. Now we have to let the paint fully dry before we make the
Spread
eruption.
it.
Yes.
Wow, this is a really good red.
It's a beautiful red.
I'll tell you what my favorite color is. It is pink and purple.
Beautiful colors.
Yeah. Comment down below if you know what your favorite colors is. So now we're about to switch our colors. So I'm gonna put this down, put this in the
So
water.
you did there so far. Ooh. It's a great job.
Now I wet it, so now, I see some wet. This is the paint we now got on me.
That's why it's important to always clean your brush well, right?
Yeah.
So you don't mix colors.
And me and Scarlett do some artistic, but now we are like grown.
You're what?
Now we're like grown.
Grown. You guys are far from grown.
So I think this is good.
Okay. So what color are you gonna do next?
Now I'm gonna close this thing out. Now I'm gonna do orange.
Okay.
So let's open up orange. Cool, I love this orange. So now that the thing is like a little bit fully dried,
Okay.
it's still a little bit paint wet, but it's okay.
It's alright.
So now, this thing keeps on opening.
I'm gonna do orange.
Yes, so we're gonna do on this side.
Okay.
It's okay if it gets a little bit on the red.
Yeah, I think that it's meant to like blend.
Yeah. There's one on this side. So this is so much fun doing this. I wanted to do
This is a
this.
super fun project. Let me see that orange. I like it.
Me too.
It's like sunset orange.
Yeah. Guys, so this is what we did. We went to the beach, but tomorrow we're gonna go back to the beach.
Yeah. It's our favorite place.
Yeah, but that one, when we went to, it had like super big waves.
Yeah, the water was pretty rough.
Yes. And we went in it. And it's so fun painting this. Ooh. We're gonna paint a little bit of over here orange too.
Okay.
So we're gonna paint this side. There we go.
Alright, so we'll come back when we change colors again, okay?
Yeah, I'm almost gonna change colors. Now we're about to switch our colors. So let's put this on again. And now we're gonna
Let's see how you did. Red, orange. Really good job, Summer.
okay.
Love it.
Now I see some orange on this paper. So colorful. Next I'm gonna do yellow. And they're like all the same colors.
It's like a pattern of the same colors.
Yeah. I wish there was blue.
I've never seen a blue volcano.
Well, we can make whatever we like, but it doesn't have gray to make a real volcano.
Okay.
I'm just gonna test. I keep on putting my hand out. So now we're going to close this and get this yellow. Okay. Perfect. So now we're going to take the brush and again put it in like we first started. So this is So we're going to do this side over here, from this way all the way to this side, and then we're going to change our colors.
Okay.
There we go. Make sure you don't leave the paint wanting open.
Right, because it'll dry out and get yucky, right?
Yes.
Let's see how you're doing there. Oh, nice.
I really just started.
That is so awesome. I really like these colors.
Look. This way?
You're doing such
This
a
way?
great
Do this way.
job.
I am so happy to paint this. I've been waiting.
Well, we had to be patient while your plaster dried, so
Now it's finally time. But we didn't wait for 2 days because it took too long. But we had to wait 2 days, but we let it dry even more.
that's right. We had to take a little extra time because sometimes we just don't find the time to do these things, even though we really want to.
Yes.
But you're very patient, so thank you.
Oops. I'm gonna put this down and then paint it.
Okay.
I think that would work. So we paint this yellow. I'm gonna do that yellow look. There you go.
Awesome.
So now there's only one more, and then we're gonna put like a lava running down it. But this part we don't have to because it's already wet.
That's right.
So now we're gonna dip it in.
What color are you going to do next?
Next I'm gonna do another shade of red.
Okay.
Or
For this
orange.
part?
Yeah, for this
Okay.
part, and then yellow over here, and then red over here, and then we're gonna put like red slicking down it. But this part, oh, I think I already told you guys.
It's okay.
Okay. I see some yellow stuff. So
Let's see how it's coming along. Let me see the orange side. We paint Summer painted the other side orange.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put like red dropping down these colors. So this side is like dry already,
Okay.
and the yellow is not that dry.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Let's just start with the dry side, and you can put your flowing lava marks.
Yeah. and yesterday we got a new watch.
Yeah, Summer got a new watch
look,
yesterday.
Watch this. I'm gonna push this one in. Okay, this one. The light's up.
And what time is it, more importantly?
It is 4:23.
Good job.
So now I'm gonna close this and then open up this shade of red
Okay.
I already used somehow. I like painting, but look at this color of it.
Ooh.
It's like a sunset.
Beautiful colors.
Yes. Sometimes there's always moon coming out.
Right, the moon rises at like 5 something, so we get to see the moon when it's still light out.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna dry our brush. I see orange. So we're gonna flip it over so we won't get another one dirty. On the table.
It's okay. It's like our arts and crafts table anyway.
Yeah. We're gonna wipe it all over on this.
Okay.
Now on my hands, so
Now
make sure.
do
it's
some lava.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put it on this side.
Let me see what you're gonna do here. So you're gonna paint it here like lava drops?
Yeah, like that.
Alright.
It's raining on it.
Ah, lava!
But I'm gonna put like a lava right on the sides
Okay.
over here to make it look like it's dropping down for real.
Okay.
So now let's get more. So I'm gonna put one up, to make it look like even more. See? How it
Awesome.
looks.
Awesome.
So now we're gonna go ahead and give it another try on this yellow.
Let's see, how's it going? Very good.
Ooh. So now we paint it like raindrops.
lava drops.
Yeah, and look at the top. I just painted it like this to make it look like it's dropping down from the top all the way down.
Okay. So what color are you going to paint the inside?
We're gonna paint it yellow and orange.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do explosion.
Yep, once the paint is dry, then we're going to make this volcano erupt.
Yes. So now we're gonna paint it. So on this side, we're gonna paint it yellow, and then the right inside here, we're gonna paint it orange.
Okay.
So we're gonna get the yellow and paint it on these sides. So this is how we're gonna do it. Be very careful with this part, because if you get a little drop on this, that's okay. If you get a big drop, it's maybe okay.
I think it's still okay. Right?
Yeah.
Because we're going to make it erupt anyway, so it might get a little messy.
Yeah. And I don't know if it's gonna go like explosion, like the little one that we did. Remember that one?
Oh, yeah, remember?
Yeah. Go check it out again. I got a little bit on the bottom.
It's okay.
Let's get some more yellow. Let's see if I'm doing it.
Got it, you got it. You're doing great.
Check it out if you can paint like this. Okay, now I'm gonna get another shade of yellow,
Okay.
which is the same thing.
Oh! It's like mustard yellow. Looks like mustard.
Kind of.
What happened?
I splashed a little bit paint.
It's okay.
So now we're gonna close this yellow, and you guys can take a look while I am putting it in the water and drying it.
Okay, let's take a look at it. Summer's creation. This volcano.
This thing is ridiculous exciting. So now we're gonna let it fully dry and look at the inside.
Ooh, love it.
So now we're gonna let it dry fully, and then we're gonna make it to eruption.
That's right. Join us for the eruption. Let's see how this goes.
So we're gonna just let this thing rest like a room. And then we're gonna explode it open.
Yeah, we'll be back when we're ready to erupt this volcano.
Yes, bye. So now the volcano is fully dry. Now Mommy's gonna make the eruption powder.
Yeah, guys, so we got this eruption powder here.
And we got this little stuff.
And we
well,
have
I don't
citric
know.
acid, and we have
Okay.
to mix it together and then
With
spoon it in and put
This
water.
kind of spoon.
That is 1 tablespoon. So I am gonna mix this,
And it has a one on it.
and then we will be right back to make this eruption.
And we have some water.
That's right, we gotta put water in there too.
Yes.
All right, so we mix the powder together, and you have
Yeah.
to always have an adult do it for you.
Yeah.
This is the eruption powder, what it looks like when you mix in the citric acid. You have to be super careful because it stains, okay? And citric acid is,
All right.
you know, can't play with this stuff. So adult supervision is required. All right, so now we're gonna get ready. It says to add 1 tablespoon of the eruption powder, which
Can
we're
we do
gonna
it
do.
together a little bit?
Hold on, let me get it up.
Okay.
Okay, and once we get that, we're gonna pour it in there. We're gonna pour the water slowly and kind of back up. Okay?
Like this?
Yeah. All right, so here we go. We got our tablespoon full,
Yeah.
and we're gonna pour it in here.
Mom's about to pour it.
Let's see, we're gonna pour it right into our volcano.
Yeah.
Here.
And the point is,
I'm gonna make a mess. I'm making a mess. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Right, get in there inside the volcano.
not out of the
All right,
volcano.
we got it inside the volcano.
Okay, now.
Okay, now we're gonna add water slowly. and see what happens. You gotta kind of back up. Whoa!
Oh, this is just like the other one.
No, this one is more. Go ahead, pour more water. Pour more water. Let's see. Whoa! Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool.
More, I hope it. Wait.
Go ahead.
Look at doing more.
Look at all that lava.
Yeah.
And there's other ways you can do this experiment too. You can also put a Mentos and a Diet Coke and see that explosion and see how that goes. But look, if you could see, guys, I don't know if you see, you can see the fumes coming off of that.
Yeah, it looks like a real one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I so love this experiment. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is so cool. So some fun facts. Some fun scientific facts about this.
Uh-oh.
Volcanoes get their name from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Scientists who study volcanoes are sometimes called volcanologists.
Volcano what?
Uh-oh. We'll be right back, guys.
Bye. This part of the box brings 2 stones.
Yes.
This is from the real volcano.
Yes, this kit.
A blue mode.
What's it called?
A blue mode or something.
Pumice.
Goodness, I forgot.
It's okay. And the other?
Pumice. A geode.
And a geode. This contains genuine volcanic specimens.
Yeah, and the geode we're going to break open.
Yes, because the geode, if you break it open, is full of natural crystals.
Yeah, see on this.
Yeah, let me get to the stone part of it
Yeah.
now. Where is it? Oh, where'd it go? Here it goes. Okay, so
This is it.
that's a geode. Now we're gonna open the geode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the geode with a hammer, and we're gonna hit it gently and then increase force as necessary. The goal is to crack the geode in 2 or 3 large pieces. And of course, parental supervision is recommended. And that's the pumice stone that we have. These are amazing rocks that are created by volcanoes. This kit, this kit from National Geographic brings so much information about volcanoes. No, the pumice, no. The pumice stone, we don't. So we're gonna be right back when we open our geode.
Yeah, and we will show you inside.
All right, so we cracked open that geode and it didn't go as well as planned. We were supposed to try to break it open into 2 or 3 little pieces, and it turned out just breaking into like 1,000 pieces.
Yeah,
but it could show the crystal. Let's see.
Because we didn't open it with a hammer, because we couldn't find our hammer.
Look at this. Look at the natural crystal formations inside of that.
Yeah, look. I'll give you a closer look.
Wait, you can't. Hold on.
See the glitter?
Oh yeah, those are crystals.
Yeah.
Let's see. The outside of it, and that's
And
the
look,
inside.
look at my little baby.
Say hi, Scarlett.
She just woke up. Look at this top. It's a moon. It is so beautiful.
That's a moon. No, that's a pumice stone.
And today. And guys, do you want me to tell you what I'm a fan of? It's secret.
Not very much a secret. No,
Okay.
that one doesn't open, baby. That's a pumice stone.
Hashtag sisters.
The Hashcack sisters. Summer loves the Hashcack sisters.
Yeah, you gotta get my headphones and sing to them. And make sure to use adapted minds too.
Yes, we use adapted minds too. Summer loves learning on adapted minds.
Yes.
So how much fun did you have with this experiment?
So much fun.
Thank you, Hennessy and Papa, again for this wonderful gift for Summer.
Yep. And Scarlet, baby.
Scarlett is like ready to go back to sleep on the table.
Yes, crunchies.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video,
Give us a big thumbs up. A big thumbs up.
and also if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you watching.
Yeah, and if you're new, watch all of our videos. Even this pumpkin one is really funny.
Thank you guys so much. Be healthy, Be safe.
And happy
Summertime.
summertime.
Bye.
Stars time.
Scarlet time. Bye.